In this video, I'll show you how to save a URL link on your desktop. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, go to the website you want to create a shortcut for and copy its URL from the address bar. Next, go to your desktop screen. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. From the menu, click on New, then select Shortcut. A new window will appear. Here, paste the website URL that you copied earlier. After that, click on Next. Now, enter a name for your shortcut, such as the website name. Then, click on Finish. Your website shortcut will now appear on your desktop. You can double-click it any time to open the website instantly. And that's it. That's how you can create a desktop shortcut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.